Nanye ni zao?
We had a meeting between the technical advisory group of President William Ruto and the Ikamba-inĩ Church Leadership Alliance, the leadership of the church led by His Grace Archbishop Dr. Timothy Ndambuki of the Africa Brotherhood Church, to discuss issues around development of our community and the kind of projects and initiatives that we need as a community to bring about the impact that our community expects from the government. 20 years as a community, and specifically over the last 20 years, we have been in the opposition, which then means that when the government is allocating resources, we have been left behind because of that tag of being in the opposition. This time around, we don't want to be in the opposition. In 2027, we want to be part and parcel of those people who are going to form the government. And in 2032, we are committed in making sure that we, the community, will be the government of the day.